Alright guys, so we've done pretty much all the necessary things. Put it all back together. So this is just gonna be the overview of it. Definitely not good shape, but there's a lot of things broken on it. It's missing that. Needed a clutch lever. I put the one from the drag PitBike on just for temporarily. And I mean, it looks pretty nice from this side, anyways. But I don't know, I like it. So we're probably gonna do a little riding once I change out the shocks, or the forks. I mean, because you guys saw the forks were apart. They do that every time the bike lifts up. I don't know what's wrong with them, and I'm just gonna replace them anyways because I already have the Lawson ones. So I'm not really worried about that. Like, the guy could have screwed some people over if they didn't have the shocks, but the spare forks, but I have them, so I'm not worried about it. So yeah, this is probably gonna be the end of this video, so thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.